Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm here to share my finished project. I I did a live. I think it was yesterday. Um, that I was finishing up my Rosie Posies trifold album kit, and I'm loving how this turned out. Let me, um, it might, you see there's a glare right here. I'm so sorry. And I have stuff. Okay. So I love this fabric that she included in the kit. And I added some lace that I bought from Walmart. It's in the wedding section. And it softens the color. The color is already softened already, but I just love how this lace goes with the fabric. I added some of that trim. It's very dainty trim that she had in the kit, and I added to the edge. Now this trim is a dangly trim, and I cut the bottom portion off and I used it inside, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes, because I didn't want any dangling stuff out here, because I may be giving this to my mom or my sister, so I'm not sure. So what I did was I just covered this edge here because it was kind of funky. I didn't cut it straight enough for my taste. And yeah, I just added that portion on the top. I'm learning how to cut up my lace like Sierra and everybody else that likes to use their laces in different multiple ways. So I'm learning. So, and then my closure, which I did not use the the seam binding sheet because I wasn't sure how I wanted it to look, and I'm still debating if I should make a tassel with the seam binding to go, but I don't think my family member would even like that, so I'm going to save that seam binding for something else. So I added I guess I've only bought one kit from her, and apparently she always gives a little something, and it says on the packaging a little something, and it says made with love, and I just added it because it's a paper clip, and I thought, oh my gosh, I'll use that as my closure because I was going to use a Velcro, but it did not work out. So I'm going to take off my paper clip and then I'm just going to open it up. I used the material on this side as well, and the same lace, which I think I didn't have to use the same lace because I did add this scallop pink lace that goes on the side here. It shows up better when I close it. See the scallop lace here? So it's a very faint pink, and I think I should have not layered that on, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay, so I layered the paper that was supposed to be on the cover. I layered it inside with my pockets. I distressed it, all that jazz. Here's the dangly trim, the bottom portion of the dangly trim, and I really like how that turned out, and I thought it was perfect for my little pocket here. I added some bling from my stash. Here's another piece of that pink lace. I just added it to the top with some more bling. Then on the bottom pocket, I added the doily that she had added to the kit, along with these little flowers. It was like a sheet of them, and I fussy cut them out. I added more bling to it, and then I added a little tag from my stash to be tucked in to the doily pocket, along with this pocket here. And then it's the same thing on this side as well. But I really love how the stangly trim looks. It just, you know, dangles so perfectly and, you know, in between the two pockets. It's not blocking anything. It's really cool. So this side is the same thing. It's like a mirror image on both sides. Didn't do anything to the pockets. I have some remnants of the kit, which is really nice to have. And that, oh, and then I'm going to close it up and I'm going to show you the back, because I did use paper on the back, and I used the pretty butterfly paper for the back of it, because I think it was wide. It was wider than the other two pieces, so I had no choice. But I do love this. I love my trifold mini album, and whoever I send this to, either my mom or my sister, I think they're gonna love it as well. So that is my Rosie Posies kit. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you like what I've created, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.